Hey guys, Nick here at Glacier. We're gonna go ahead and give you guys a factory tour today and show off some of our secrets to the build. The first stage, this is where the 3/4 inch marine grade plywood is put down. Solid floor, steel frames. We have two different types of vinyl. We got coin and we got wood grain. Follow me on over to here. Glacier uses a construction table. By using a construction table, this allows us to have a square wall. Our walls are built out of 2x3s. By building our wall on a construction table, this also allows for all of our nail holes and staple holes to be on the back side of the wall. Follow me over here. After the walls are stood up, we use a lag bolt to bolt them to the floor and to the frames. As you can see, we use 2x6s as wall backers. Our windows are all one-piece windows, two-piece doors, everything's framed up, 16-inch on center. As you can see, our beautiful 1/4 inch cedar here. At this stage, we're also putting the roofs on, our manufactured truss roof. At this stage, we've got the wiring going in. At this stage, we're also putting in some of the insulation, all the wiring. Our holding tanks are shown in this particular stage also. Gray water and black water tanks being right underneath the shower and the toilet. Our standard is batten insulation. So behind here, we've got our batten insulation, and then we've also got our radiant barrier wrap. As you're seeing here, that's our one-piece EDPM roofing material. One-piece roof, just like you're seeing in all your high-end fifth wheels, like you're seeing in all your high-end trailers, exact same thing that you're seeing in the RV industry. Our houses are more like an RV than any other house on the market. At this particular stage, you're starting to see the lights come in, you're starting to see the speakers get put in the house, all the plug-ins, insulation around the wheel wells. Just another stage or step in the build. Come on over here, guys. This is where the cabinets are all built. If you can see here, cabinets, mortise and tenon, glued, not screwed, no frays, everything sanded. Come on over here. Here's our one-piece countertops with a nice eased edge. At this particular stage, we're putting in the windows, we're putting on the siding. You're seeing our nice J channel that we've got here. All the protections, everything's coming together. The lights on the exterior coming in. You step in the house here. Again, just another stage in the build. Everything is all about to be put together at the next stage. You come on over here. This is where I start putting on the awnings. As you can see, we take the extra steps to make sure that the silicone lines are perfect. RV style windows, RV style doors with a screen. Doesn't get much better than that. And aesthetically, our houses look more like an RV than anything else on the market. Over here is one of the final stages. You see, we put the ladder to the roof, large window on the back, spare tires, our new exterior storage doors. Everything is coming together at this stage. We're almost done. You step into here, you can see that we are very, very close to finishing this 17 RV. New drapes, digital thermostats, plug-ins everywhere. Lights underneath the bunk now. The new voltage, the voltage center, storage center. More plug-ins than I can even imagine ever using. You got them, you asked for them, they're on the house. Our battery disconnect. Simple, right at the door. Well, that's just a brief look into our production here at Glacier without giving you guys too many secrets. So go ahead and contact your local dealership for any other questions you may have.